When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be a movie. When I grow up, I wanna see the world, I wanna be a star, I wanna have movies. When I grow up, I wanna be fresh and clean, number one chick, wanna step out of the sea.
Shazam.
Just like that, just like that, just like that.
Oh, what's up, YouTube? So, sneezes. They are the nasal orgasms of our everyday life. Yeah, but one thing I found out about sneezes is when you sneeze, it actually travels the speed of sound. Like, I wonder if you could do like some super ninja thing where you stick like shards of glass up your nose and you sneeze at someone and it totally like, Well, I and everyone else probably wonders why the hell we say bless you after someone sneezes. There's 3 reasons, and it traces back to like the ancient times of people. One reason why we say bless you is to prevent the soul from the body to depart from you. For some reason, I don't know. Also, another reason why I say bless you to someone is they believe that it will help you not get diseases from you and other people when you sneeze. Another reason why people say bless you is they think that it'll prevent evil spirits to enter your mouth when you sneeze. I don't know. I personally think sneezing is fun, but there are things about it that's really obnoxious. Like, have you ever noticed when people are preparing to sneeze, they're like transforming into a monster, that their eyes roll in the back of their head and they make these grotesque faces? What's also scary about screams is the rapish cry some people do when they sneeze. Like, oh my god, the worst person is my mom. I think she's gonna die. For example, this is what my mom does. Hi, and Mom, there's palabok downstairs. Mom, Mom. Ay! Oh my, Mom, are you okay? Oh, no, I just sneezed. Sige na. Oh yeah. That's not what's up. And you have to have like those like preppy girls who like sneeze and they have to be all cute when they do it. They probably sound like a freaking hamster. It's you! Oh, excuse me everyone. I'm so cute. What's the worst about people who sneeze is when they cover up but they reveal after they sneeze and they have a gigantic like pancit balabok looking thing coming out of their nose, like some alien from another world. Yeah, just a random thing I observed and thought I should share with you guys. Know what I mean? Okay, so biscuit, what if we sneeze like so? Dude, let me sneeze what I do. Dude, say pineapple, say pineapple. Oh, you suck. Pobre panda, cute naman. And everyone should go to the MVCC concert that I'm singing in Mobile at St. Patrick's in California on the 27th and 29th on a Friday and a Sunday at 7 o'clock p.m. Holy crap, I just really sneezed for real.